How to delete the Instagram chat reels video. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. And to know how to do that, just watch this video till the very end. Make sure that you have installed the very latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have done so, then simply open your Instagram. And on the top right side, you will see there is a message icon, and just tap on the person by which the reels have been sent, or you want to delete the reels. So you can see that the reels have been sent from the both side. So it is not hard to delete the reels that you have sent them. You can simply tap it for a very long time and simply click on the unset button and the reels will be deleted simply. But how do you delete the reels or the chats that have been sent from the other account? When you tap for a very long time, there is no option of delete, only option of forward, reply, or react with any emojis. So you cannot delete by doing that. The only option you can delete the chats from your account is that just tap it for a very long time and then tap on the delete option, and then the reels will be deleted for you. But for case they will send you a reel but you don't want to see it for a very long time, then what do you do? So what can you do is just scroll upside, and this is a vanish mode. So if the person sends you a reel after you turn the vanish mode on, then the reels will be only seen on the vanish mode, because when you turn the vanish mode off, either they are the reels that are sent by you or them. The reels or the chats or the videos or any chats will not be seen from both of the account. They will be permanently deleted after you turn your vanish mode off. I hope this helps you guys. If you like the video, then please do hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. See you on the next video.